Hi, I'm Emily from Motor Match Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this automatic Toyota RAV4 in white. This Euro 6 compliant four-wheel drive model features a 2.5 litre petrol hybrid engine and is in the XL trim level. This vehicle stands on these stylish 5-spoke silver 19-inch alloy wheels, complementing the car's exterior perfectly. To ensure the road ahead is fully illuminated, this vehicle benefits from these LED projector headlamps, also featuring LED daytime running lights, complemented by your stylish rear LED combination lights. Now, as we move into the rear of the cabin, we can see the stunning leather upholstery with your ISOFIX anchor points, perfect for securing those child seats. We also have a movable armrest with cup holders and a ventilation system with 2 USB charge ports for your rear passengers to enjoy. Now moving to the vehicle's electric tailgate, and as you can see, there is ample of room inside, perfect for the weekly food shop, daily essentials and even those holiday suitcases. Now, as we move into the front of the cabin, the stylish look continues with the same upholstery on the front 2 seats as the back. Your front 2 seats are also electrically adjustable with memory function, meaning you can find your ultimate driving position. Now, taking a closer look, we have your multifunctional steering wheel, and ahead there your partly digital display. Now, moving to the infotainment system, you can adjust all the system settings via the infotainment system, much like your sound system, and any of the vehicle settings also. You can also explore all the radio options available, or you can connect your own device to listen to your own music, whether that's by Bluetooth or USB. You can also access navigation to ensure that you never get lost on those unfamiliar journeys, and connect your phone via Bluetooth to make and receive those all-important phone calls. A rear parking camera with sensors is also provided, making manoeuvring easier than ever. Now moving down, we have your easy to use air conditioning, and below your 2 front heated seats that you can adjust to high or low. And ahead there to the right, we have your heated steering wheel for ultimate comfort on those cold morning drives. Below there we have another USB charge port, and then your automatic transmission with your drive mode button, taking the vehicle from eco to sport mode with the simple twist of a button, depending on your journey that day. Now, as well as when you lift the armrest, we have 2 more hidden USB charge ports. Thank you for watching this presentation on this automatic Toyota RAV4 in white. If you are interested in this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team here at Motor Match Stoke.